Imagine waking up 30 days from now. You look in the mirror, and for the first time, your chest is firmer, your shoulders are broader, and that morning grogginess, it's gone. But then you try to lift your coffee cup, and a sharp pain shoots through your elbow. Most fitness gurus tell you that 50 push-ups a day is the ultimate life hack. They're lying about half of it. Today, we're stripping away the hype to reveal the shocking reality of what actually happens to your body when you hit the floor every single day. We've all seen the transformation videos, the before and after shots that look like magic. It sounds simple, right? No gym, no fancy equipment, just you and the floor. 50 reps. But here's the thing, your body isn't a machine, it's a biological system. When you force it to perform the same movement 1,500 times a month, things start to change. Some changes are incredible, others are downright dangerous. In this video, we're breaking down the 4 distinct phases your body goes through. We'll talk about the neurological spark, the hypertrophy trap, and why day 14 might be the day you want to quit. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you the one mistake 90% of people make that actually shrinks their muscles instead of growing them. Phase 1. The neurological spark, days 1 to 7. The first week isn't about muscle, it's about your brain. If you haven't been working out, day 1 is going to feel like a mountain. Your arms will shake, your form will break, and 50 will feel like 500. But something fascinating happens around day 4. This is called neuromuscular adaptation. Your brain is essentially optimizing the wiring between your central nervous system and your pectoral muscles. You aren't getting stronger yet, you're just getting more efficient. The reality check. You'll likely experience DOM stellate onset muscle soreness. Your chest will feel like it's on fire. Most people quit here because they think they're out of shape. In reality, this is just your body's way of saying, wait, we're actually doing this. Phase 2. The metabolic pump, days 8 to 14 by week 2. The newbie gains start to kick in, but not in the way you think. You might notice your chest looks fuller in the mirror immediately after your sets. This is the metabolic pump. Your body is rushing blood, oxygen, and glycogen to your upper body to keep up with the demand. You'll feel a sense of hardness in your muscles. However, here is the shocking reality. This isn't permanent muscle growth yet. It's mostly fluid and increased blood flow. The story of Mark. Take Mark, a guy who tried this last year. By day 10, he felt like Superman. He started doing the reps faster, sacrificing form for speed. By day 14, his wrists started clicking. This is the danger zone. If you don't focus on hand placement and core engagement now, you're building a house on a shaky foundation. Phase 3. The plateau and the overuse wall, days 15 to 21. This is where the shocking reality hits. Around day 18, the excitement wears off. 50 push-ups become a chore. And because you're doing the exact same movement every single day, your muscles reach a plateau. Muscles don't grow while you're working out. They grow while you're sleeping. By doing 50 push-ups every 24 hours, you are constantly tearing the muscle fibers without giving them a full 48-hour recovery window. The risks: systemic fatigue. You might start feeling tired throughout the day. Joint strain. Your tendons, which take longer to strengthen than muscles, start to complain. Muscle imbalance. If you only push and never pull like doing rosé, your shoulders will start to hunch forward. You'll look like a caveman rather than an athlete. Phase 4. The transformation, days 22 to 30. If you make it to the final week, the shaking is gone. 50 push-ups feels like a warm-up. This is where the structural changes happen. Your endurance has skyrocketed. Your core stability is significantly higher because a push-up is essentially a moving plank. You'll notice definition in your triceps and the line down the center of your chest. But let's be honest, will you look like a bodybuilder? No. 50 push-ups is a volume workout, not a heavy load workout. You've built a foundation of lean, functional muscle. Oh, you've proven to your brain that you are disciplined. That mental shift is actually the most shocking part of the whole challenge. The secret to 10x results, the one mistake, remember that mistake I mentioned earlier. The reason some people do 50 push-ups and see zero change. It's junk volume. If you fly through 50 reps using momentum, you aren't stimulating the muscle. To actually see a shocking reality in your physique, you must use time under tension. Try this instead. Asterisk 3 seconds on the way down. 1 second, pause at the bottom, explode up. Doing 50 reps like that will do more for your body than 500 fast reps ever could. So, what's the verdict? Doing 50 push-ups a day is a fantastic gateway drug to fitness. It builds the habit. But if your goal is maximum muscle growth, you eventually need to add weight or change the variation. The shocking reality isn't that push-ups are a miracle, it's that consistency is the miracle. Whether it's 50 push-ups or a 10-minute walk, the act of showing up for yourself every day changes your DNA. If you're thinking about starting this challenge, comment DAY1 below. Let's start a thread and hold each other accountable. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We dive deep into the science of fitness every week so you can get the best results in the shortest time. Next step. If you want to know what happens if you add 100 squats to this routine, click the video on the screen right now. Stay strong, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next one.